Hey everyone, this is Chad from GadgetGuruHD.com, and in this video we're going to be doing a complete water test with the brand new Samsung Galaxy S5. As you all can see here, this is a working model, and I did put my HTC One M8 to the right of the device with a timer so you all can get a good idea of the actual timing. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The AmCase hybrid bumper case and AmFilm screen protectors for the Galaxy S5 are on sale now. Use coupon code GADGET15 for another 15% off your order. Links are in the description. The first test we'll be doing here is just to quickly run the Galaxy S5 over some water in the sink. And as shown here, the S5 should be fine in rain and just about all outdoor conditions you face. But now getting on into the real test that everyone wants to see, which is a full water immersion test, and it will be in the sink, completely submerged in water. So as everyone can see here, surprisingly the Galaxy S5 has lasted over 30 minutes and everything seems to be working perfectly fine. I've been able to use the headphone jack, listen to music perfectly fine, the battery is perfectly good, the screen is fully functioning, and I'm able to charge the device fine. So anyone that was doubting the Galaxy S5's water resistant or waterproof capabilities, this video has pretty much proven them wrong. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe and check out the rest of our Galaxy S5 content. We have tons of comparisons up with the HTC One M8 and more tutorial videos to come. Thanks for watching everyone. This has been Chad from GadgetGuruHD.com and we'll see all of you guys in the next video.